Dear class 12 students, now we are in the last topic of chapter 11. We are doing local self-governments, and today will be the last class for this chapter, my dear students. Today we need to complete three topics, that is Nyaya Panchayat, and after that we will just move towards block administrations, and then we will complete district administration. Very easy and simple topic, very easy to understand and very interesting as well. So now my dear students, now let's see Nyaya Panchayat. First of all, we will do Nyaya Panchayat, my dear students. Nyaya Panchayat is a part of Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat is a part of Panchayat who deal in giving justice to the people, village people. Okay, but not in a big issues, just small issue. The Nyaya Panchayat deal in giving his justice and also decisions. As we have seen, dear class 12 students, if any problem occur like a quarreling type or some house boundary types problems occur in the village, we used to call Panchayat. Yes or no? We used to call Panchayat. Panchayat will come with their mans, 4 or 5 mans. They will see the situation, they will see the problems, okay, and then at the end they will come to a conclusion. Abhishek, they will come to a conclusion and they will just try to solve the matter there itself. No police case. Are you getting me? No police case, no fighting, no use of arm, no use of strength power, and the problem get resolved. Okay, are you getting me? Nyaya Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat means to give justice to the people, and it's a part of Panchayat. Are you getting me? Though the constitution has not given this right to the product, not given right to the Panchayat, but also as they are the senior most people in the society, as they are the good people in the society, so the every villagers used to obey them. Every villager used to obey them. That does not mean that Nyaya Panchayat is a court itself. No, Nyaya Panchayat is not a court, but it's a part of Panchayat who solve a small type of problem. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? These days I have seen many times involving of this Nyaya Panchayat only in one topic, and that topic is, and that the problem is जहिले बुढा रक्सी खाएर बुढीलाई हिर्काउँछ, बुढी पञ्चायत बोलाएर लिएर आउँछ मात्रै. Only these things I have seen. Okay, now you understood Nyaya Panchayat. What is Nyaya Panchayat? You understood? Giving justice to the people on the issues of small things or matter. Are you getting me? Now second, block administration. The administrations who administered from block is known as block administrations, also known as BDO. What is full form of BDO? Block Development Officer. This is your general knowledge, my dear students. Block Department Organization. Wow, Deepika, very nice answer. Block Development Officer. Okay, now what is the work of Block Development Officer? I am telling you. Ready? To see the problems. To see the Sherpa. Okay, to see the problems. His title is Sherpa. To see the problem of its block area. Alright, to see the problem to its block area. Are you getting me, Abhishek? Block development work is there. Any problems happen in the block, he will be the responsible and also resolving it. Yes, Deepika, any questions? Video recently changed Okay, and this new video is just came in the office from let's say last 3-4 months. 3-4 months. Name I am just forgetting, but its title is Sherpa. Its title is Sherpa. You can just check on the Jaigaon Mirror Jaigaon today. You will get it today. Many posts are there. You will get the name of this video. Are you getting me? So it's work is to take the problems of the block and also do some development work from the to the for the block people. This is block administration. Now the number 3. Now the number 3. District administration. Similar, but it is the head of district administration is
DM.
and also chairman of Jila. Now see, the chairman of Jila Parishad. DM, full form of DM, district magistrate. To get this chair, you have to appear in the examination. It is called IAS. It's all in UPSC. Now see, if you crack this Union Public Service Commission, if you came in the top 10, you will be appointed as a Indian Administrative Service. Indian Administrative Service, and you will be given the chair of the head of the district magistrate. Do you know district magistrate sit in the court of the district? Do you know this? This man sit in the court as a judge, district magistrate, and all police, all government staff, each and everything which fall in the district, he is the head. He is the head district magistrate. And also it's come from UPSC. Very tough to crack this. If you have came in the second top list of UPSC, you will be appointed as a IPS. You will be appointed as a IPS, Indian Police Service. Top rank IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Toughest exam in India. Toughest exam in India. Now it's work, very large and wide work. To check judicial system of the district, to check each and every government staff in the district, to do development work in the district, to resolve any problem facing any type of problem the people is facing in the district, DM will be solving. Not DM himself will come to solve. He will use his staff. He will use his staff. Like for example, if Abhishek arrested, he is innocent, but being arrested by the police, he is innocent. Anyhow, DM came to know that this police is practicing something illegal with the Jaigaon people. He will call to IPS, SP. He will call to SP. SP will be calling to the OC in charge of Jaigaon, and the problem will be solved on call only. Yes or no? It will solve on call only. Yes or no, my dear sir? So in this way he utilized his power. सब बंद ठुलो तो यो छ तर यसको मुनि जुन चीज छ, he will say to them, okay, he will say to each and everyone. That's all for today's classes. Homework exercise, very short and short question, each and everything homework, long answer, no need to do. Whatever I have provided you, that is sufficient. Thank you so much, class 12 students. God bless you.